Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Gul. Today I want to talk about one big mistake that stopped my English progress for a long time. अगर आप भी इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो और इम्प्रूवमेंट्स फिर भी स्लो है तो शायद आप भी यही गलती कर रहे हो. So please watch this video till the end. The question is why what is the biggest mistake? The biggest mistake is waiting to become perfect before speaking English. Yes, I waited too much. I waited for correct grammar, I waited for correct pronunciation, I waited for correct English. But अगर आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोलेंगे तो आप कभी भी इम्प्रूव नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक एंड दैट वाज द माय बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक. मैं इंग्लिश बोलती ही नहीं थी, मैं पहले परफेक्ट बनना चाहती थी. The next question is why this mistake is dangerous. Yes, this mistake is dangerous because English is learned by speaking. English is not learned by thinking. When you wait for perfection, you don't speak, you don't improve, you don't make mistakes, and at the end, motivation dies. मैं इंग्लिश वीडियोस देखती थी, मैं नोट्स बनाती थी, बट इन रियल लाइफ मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलती थी. एंड दैट्स वाई इस मिस्टेक की वजह से मेरी जो इंग्लिश प्रोग्रेस थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो थी. I knew many English words. I understood English videos, but someone asked me, can you speak English? My mind went blank. Actually, mistakes are part of learning. जो गलती नहीं करता वो सीखता भी नहीं है. So that was my biggest mistake, that I waited for perfect English, I waited for perfect pronunciation, I waited for perfect grammar before speaking English, and this is the biggest mistake. So, mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are the opportunity to learn English. When you speak, when you make mistakes, then you will improve. And this is the biggest mistake of my English journey, that I waited for perfect English. Let me tell you a truth. Fluent people are not perfect. They are confident with mistakes. नेटिव स्पीकर्स भी मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. याद रखें, आपका एक्सेंट प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपका इंग्लिश ग्रामर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपका सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है और वो है यू डोंट स्पीक इनफ. The day I decided I will speak English daily even with mistakes, everything changed. I talked to myself, I recorded my voice, I spoke simple sentences. For example, I'm learning English, I make mistakes, but I'm improving. Slowly, confidence आने लगा और इससे जो मेरी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जर्नी थी उसकी प्रोग्रेस डे बाय डे इम्प्रूव होने लगी. If you want to improve your English, speak daily, accept mistakes, stop waiting for perfection, and use simple English. याद रखें, perfection comes from practice, not from thinking. So, if you want to improve your English, follow these steps. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what is stopping your English progress. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.